Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact Gamepad model and whether it uses USB or Bluetooth. This matters for drivers and pairing. Once done, charge the controller above 50% or insert fresh batteries to avoid interruption. Next, power on your PC or console and plug in the USB cable so the system can detect hardware. Make sure the Gamepad manual or Quick Start guide is nearby. You'll reference button combos and modes during setup. You should install official drivers if the manufacturer provides them, otherwise rely on the operating system's plug-and-play support. Follow prompts and restart if required. For Bluetooth, put the Gamepad into pairing mode and select it from your system's Bluetooth settings. Confirm any PINs shown. Once connected, open controller settings to calibrate sticks and buttons, or use a mapping tool to assign inputs so games read the Gamepad correctly and consistently. You finish by testing the controller in a game or a controller tester app to confirm all buttons and analogs respond. Adjust dead zones and sensitivity until movement feels natural. Next, save profiles and back up your custom mappings, and check for firmware updates that improve compatibility. If something goes wrong, repair the device, try another USB port or cable, and reinstall or update drivers and firmware. These steps resolve most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.